to think about, and I put the problem in the center for you here. I want you to think about drawing a visual model to represent this garden, and I want you to label what you know about it, okay? I want you to label what you know about it. Label the parts that you know, okay? So let me ask you a question. You don't know, and I love how you wrote 10 times L. Why did you put 10 times L?
Because we already know the width.
Okay, but what is this going to get you?
The length. Below. Wait.
What else do I know?
Length times width times height.
Am I finding volume?
Nope. Well,
what does the problem say? Look at it.
It says we are getting 200 feet squared.
Okay, so what's 200 feet squared?
200 feet squared is...
What does it say in the problem? What is that measurement in the problem?
10 feet.
Let's go to the problem.
Oh,
what does it say?
200.
But what is 200 feet squared?
Oh, this is the area. 200 is the area.
Ah, okay. So now, let's take a look at her model real quick, okay? So she labeled the inside of the shape 200 feet because she knows it's the area, right? She also labeled her widths 10 feet because it tells me what in the problem. Good. So how in the world could I find my length?
I think we should. It's between multiply or division by 200.
Why don't you guys talk it out? Okay. How
I think
got found the length of 200?
I think we should multiply 10 300.
If I multiply 10 times 10, is that going to help me find how long it is?
I think.
Why did you write this up here? I'm curious about this here. Because this I see is 10 times length, and you already know the area, so you could put 200 here, right? So let's take a look. If this is the formula for area, 10 times length equals 200. What do I know about the relationship between, like, operations? Addition and subtraction.
10 times 20.
Multiplication and division. I know something about relationships, right? I think you guys are close, but I really want you to think about this idea that if I know the width and I know the area, there's a way for me to find the length.
I think it's multiplication or 10 times 10. I think it's division.
Why do you say that?
Because it's 200 and we're trying to find the length. So I think we should divide 200 divided by 10.
What is division to multiplication?
The inverse operation.
The inverse operation. And isn't it true, if I say 2 times 10 is 20, wouldn't 20 divided by 10 equal 2? So would I be able to find this missing piece by doing what Jamari suggested? Germani, I'm sorry. Do you forgive me? I'm sorry. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Why don't you guys try it? See what happens. And then you can always check your work by putting that number you find in here, right? And seeing if it multiplies, correct? So, can I have a volunteer? Mariah, we haven't heard from you at all today. Mariah, what was your table discussing?
Well, we discussed that 200 feet squared should be going in the middle, like the area, and then the 10 feet should be the width, because it says the width is 10 feet. And then we divided 200 feet by 10 feet, and that gave us 20 feet.
Why did you guys decide to divide? Corey?
We decided to divide because, we decided to divide because we also decided to multiply too, because we were going to try to multiply 20 times 10, but first we divided 200 divided by 10, and then they gave us 20, so we checked it, and we did 20 times 10, and that gave us our answer of 200.
Interesting. I see like Indigo and Marcus both gave agree signs, and when I was over at Northwestern, they came to the same realization, okay?